First go to the file and choose open. Select this man image, press open. Hit shortcut D to set the default black and white colors here. Now go to filter, filter gallery. Here choose the photocopy filter. Increase the detail option to 5, darkness to 20. Press OK. Now go to the adjustment layer options and choose levels adjustment layer. Here modify the input levels like this. Then go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this paper background image, click place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Hold the Shift button and select the top two layers. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Let's see the final result.